Good morning, students. Fertilization is also known as syngamy. This syngamy is of two types. First, external fertilization, and second, internal fertilization. External fertilization, in which male and female gametes fuse outside the female body in a liquid medium or in water. So external fertilization, example of external fertilization are aquatic organisms, algae, fishes, amphibians. In all these cases, the female organism release a lot of eggs into the water, and the male organism secretes its male gamete around the female gametes, and the fusion of male and female gametes takes place outside the body. Therefore, this type of fertilization is known as external fertilization. Second, in internal fertilization. In this case, fertilization takes place inside the female body. For example, terrestrial organisms, fungi, birds, mammals. In all these cases, male gametes reach to the female gametes in the body of the female, and fertilization takes place. In all organisms, egg is formed in the female body, and the certainty of the fertilization in the female body is near about 100% if male gamete is there. Therefore, the number of female gamete is reduced in number, one or few, but male gametes are motile and produced in large number, because this male gamete during transfer to the female gametes may lose. Therefore, the certainty of fertilization, number of male gametes becomes very large. These all are about the fertilization. And the third phase, last phase, is the post-fertilization. This post-fertilization comprises with two events, zygote division and embryogenesis. Zygote division depends on the life cycle of the organism. First, all the organisms universally produce diploid zygote, and the diploid zygote division depends on the life cycle. For example, first, haplontic life cycle, in which whole body of the organism becomes haploid. Here, zygote divides by meiotic cell division or reductional cell division to produce haploid spores. These haploid spores grow into haploid individuals. But in a diplontic or haplodiplontic life cycle, zygote divides by mitosis. This haplontic life cycle is primitive type of organism like algae or fungi, and diplontic or haplodiplontic life cycle is haplontic life cycle is bryophyte, pteridophyte, and diplontic life cycle all the higher organisms, either angiosperm or mammals. Therefore, all multicellular organisms begin life as a single cell, the zygote, and also this zygote ensures continuity of species between organisms from one generation to the next generation. This zygote may develop a thick wall that is resistant to desiccation and damage due to environmental problems. And before further development, this zygote, covering cell this zygote may undergo dormancy period, resting period. This dormancy period may be of few times in algae, fungi, etc., or for many years, like sal plant, where germination takes place after 3 years, depending on the nature of the plants. So, this post-fertilization zygote division depends on such circumstances.